hero product is the Miracle Oil Serum, a multi-usage must-have for anyone yearning for smoother hair. It nourishes hair in 30 seconds, adds beautiful shine, smoothness, and provides amazing frizz control. It's a perfect product before styling, as it helps to style hair smoother, while also helps protecting hair from UV and heat.
Miracle Oil Serum is used on damp, clean hair before styling. Apply on the lengths and ends and let it melt into the hair for 30 seconds. It's also used as a finishing product on dry hair after styling, as it gives more shine and definition, that finishing touch.
The formula is rich, so you might need less than what you've used to with oils. Start with 1 pump and add more if needed. As always with leave-ins, the ideal amount depends on the hair type and amount. And what about the fragrance? You can sense citruses, a floral heart, and a warm ambery base. This addictive warm scent conveys the nourishing and caring effect of the products.
The shampoo provides a lavish cleansing experience, leaving the hair soft and smooth. On top of our super ingredients, the shampoo also contains metal purifier technology.
You might know that the water contains metals, such as copper, which can be harmful specifically for colored or lightened hair. Like many Wella professional shampoos, the Ultimate Smooth shampoo contains metal purifier technology that encapsulates metals. So, by using Wella shampoo with metal purifier technology, you or your clients don't need to worry about these impurities in water harming the hair.
Here's the unpopular fact for your clients with dull, dry or frizzy hair. There are no shortcuts to smoothness. Rinse-off treatment, whether it's a conditioner or a mask, is a must. This is the most important step in nourishing the hair and closing the cuticles.
For clients in a hurry, recommend the conditioner. It instantly nourishes, smoothens and detangles hair. Leave conditioner on for minimum 30 seconds up to 3 minutes.
The mask gives a deeper, nourishing effect. In 5 minutes, it visibly reduces frizz and replenishes the hair. Recommend it as a weekly treatment, or you can use it during each wash for coarse or very dry hair types.
All Ultimate Smooth products are suitable for colored hair, vegan and dermatologically tested. In the next part, we talk more about how to use Ultimate Smooth in your salon. See you there!